Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see what to do when you accidentally close all tabs in Chrome browser, or how can you recover them. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So here I just came with two different ways in which you can recover your tabs from your Chrome website or Chrome browser. So basically, when let's say that here I'm having around 7 tabs that are open on my Chrome browser. So let's say that I have accidentally deleted this complete window. So let's say I just delete this by just clicking over here, and let's say that I want to recover them all. So let me just open it. So here I can just go to this place and just click on history. So here it shows me that I have a 7 tabs that are recently closed. So I can just click on this to restore my entire window, and in this way I can restore it. But there are cases that you might not be able to restore it because you're not getting such option, because maybe you're opening it after a long time and you're wondering as like you accidentally deleted it. So maybe that can be the case. So I just got you back, and I just have another shortcut that you can use to get all your tabs, so this will be 100% working. So let's say that let me again just go back, and here I have this new tab. All you need to do is just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to get all your websites which are closed this way. So just by pressing the Ctrl plus Shift plus T, you can get all your tabs that are closed. And this is not only working for your entire window. Let's say that you're working with 7 different tabs, and let's say that we have just closed this tab, and you just realize that that is the tab that is very important, and you have been working on that particular tab and you want to restore it. In such case, you can again use this shortcut, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus T, and let me just do that again. So Control plus Shift plus T, and here you go with it. So this is how you can recover your complete window or your tab when you have accidentally closed it. This is all for this video, guys, and I hope you found this video useful to you, and do share it with your friends and like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.